So, okay, I'm just opening this vlog. I don't know what to say, but this is what I'm speak. Yeah, so right now we are at a restaurant. I think that's also why I decided to start today, because I was gonna start it on Saturday. Today's Thursday. See out and rotis with my mom. Yes, my right hand lady. Good morning. So today we're going to Durban. I'm going to pick up Ingoya McRed and then go to the Brutal Fruits event at Oceans Mall. And then I think we'll go to the beach as well because it's Hamane Ngani and stuff. So yeah, I'll take you through all that as the day progresses, and I hope you enjoy.
Leaving all worries behind, let's go. I need to get my own summer style back. The breeze is playing soft through the palm trees loft. Seen it whisper secrets of each land. The sound of the waves.
Hi guys, welcome back. We are at Oceans Mall. I'm actually currently looking for where the Brutal Fruits event is. So it's hot. Gazala, they said it must take the lift, but I can't see it. Oh no, but yeah, this mall is so pretty.
The sun is shining bright like a colorful aurora. It paints the world in hues of orange and white and more. I'm gonna start packing my bag. I'm leaving all worries behind. Let's go. I need to get my own summer style back. The breeze is playing soft through the palm trees loft. Seen it whisper secrets.
So guys, let's make it like extra drinks because we're us, you know. Oh my life, I pray for someone like you. Kusam sisemotweni ke manje sekuyimina ophethe ikhwama khathele manje sengifuna ukuyolala, but I wish ekhaya bekuyilight eThekwini. Still, I think I'll save this until I actually find a place in Durban, honestly. Like,
one eternity later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today my mom and I are going to try a new restaurant. It's called Cube Coffee. It's at the Invesco Center, La Epimvina. So yeah, I'm gonna review it for you guys, and then you know. Okay, so we put my man Shagilana. Shame, I really enjoyed the food. Mom, what do you think about the restaurant?
It was exquisite.
Nah, 10 out of 10 for real. Like, even the prices, they're very reasonable. Jay, like, hi guys, I feel like all of you should go there, honestly. And the go to Legile, it's very empty, like peaceful, you know. Jay, it's very nice. You guys should go. Guys, like I take us, and my baby sister took one of these. Manje, usafuna ukuphatha uma so le ngwela manje simele push me. Morning guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Sipuma la I'm going to FM. My mom was speaking on the radio. She was speaking on radio about like how they work at their hospital and whatnot. But yeah, like, oh my gosh guys, mom was on radio.
Not allow us. The future is city know your rights. So we're not on a vent, not today.
Okay. Sesicele i-ID yakho. Mawusebenza sesicela i-payslip yakho. Payslip izoba ne-address yasemsebenzini. Sesicele ne-postal address yakho.
Okay guys, another day, another dollar. We are trying a new restaurant again today because we can. Guys, I'm living because this is out. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are running a few errands and we took her to the doctor because she's sick. But yeah, now we're at the car wash, and then after this, okay, that's something I mean, but I have a hockey match to go to, my other sister's hockey match. I don't even know what they're playing against, but she goes to Killer. So yeah, like I'll take you through my day and all that. See you. Okay guys, so it turns out today's match is also against Airport. So both my sisters played against Airport. Yeah, so the game just started. But I think this is like the second half or something. I don't know how hockey works. Because Coach got the Kuruma now but telling them how they played before. So yeah, it's guess one egg. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a charity event that I'm going to. So imagine I'm a drinking that I'm gonna like donate, because I wanted to donate clothes but because I'm again so Lord ngizothenga ama drinking ngizowaphatha ngihambe nawo. Yeah, it's not number 3. Actually 4. Guys, I hope one day she understands the importance of charging your phone before I land. Of charging your phone. Guys, I don't even know where I am, but we're walking to somewhere. morning, guys. Oh my gosh, I haven't spoken to you guys in so long, but today Gio installer in for free. So it really asked me to be her model, yeah, because she's okay, she does nails, she did my nails, so now she's like venturing into hair and makeup, so she asked me to be her model. So yeah, izolo ngihambile ngayoluka iSnoopy, and then namhlanje ngiyo-installer ke because okay, so guys, this is the hair I'm going to install, my little Bobbiana. I've only installed this once and Shem was cute, but like, and that's what I mean. I didn't install, I don't know, but it was cute. Yeah, no, but again, because this is a free install, I'll take it as my rematch. Yeah, but yeah, let me give you the hair details. So hair is from my friend Dando. I don't think she sells hair anymore, but if you want to buy, let me know and then I'll speak to her for you and go up you know. Yeah, this is an 8-inch wig, and it's, what else do you guys say, SDD, and I think it's 13x4. Yeah, because it's a full frontal. I always put them in guys, like, but in Zozaz. Guys, I was literally on time. Manje, because I put the wrong stop. It's on the same road, but Lezans, so I have to Kibela to Emagete. Then from Emagete, I'm walking up over Manje. Guys, I was literally on time, but I'm like 10 minutes late. But still. Okay, same thing, like imagine, but Evila's not here because Guvali like on the way to her salon, like that gate is closed, so I'm assuming she's not here, which cancelled out my lateness, which is great. Like, guys, come on. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Yeah, so I came to my mom's work after doing my hair and my makeup. Now we're going to pick the kids up from school. Yeah, that's where we're going. Guys, I can't believe we're going to have to go home like after this. Like, okay guys, my hair, nails and my makeup were done by Uevile. She is from PMB and her address is 18 Theatre Lane in Pietermaritzburg. It's near Utimbanje. Got the Mufa mapping is going to show you, it's near basement. Yeah, that's where you can find her. Please do go and show her your support. She does such a great job. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm driving today because I'm getting that immortal and I'm feeling like drive. Guys, I don't like driving with my mom around because she always wants to have opinions. Like, what am I telling you, Chiga? Like actually, guys. Yes, because why are you talking? Like, I'm driving, I can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, let's figure it. Things all and immortal. So sign my paper. But things doesn't work. Level. Let's figure it. Guys, my lace is doing funny things and I actually have somewhere to be tomorrow. So I'm gonna miss out because I don't even have like the equipment to fix a wig and the lace and whatever. And I'm gonna but you know what, I'll figure it out tomorrow. That's it from me, OJ, not the juice, but the girl. I really do hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.